Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. কেমন আছো তোমরা সবাই? How are you all guys doing? Okay, so before starting today's video, some of you are asking me to, they are telling me to speak in Hindi as they can't properly understand what I'm trying to saying. Okay, so yeah, I'm doing these videos for you so that you understand the importance of skincare and body care. So yeah, I'm thinking that I will say a little bit things in Hindi because my Hindi is not that great. I'm so bad in Hindi. I'm from West Bengal, and as I live in West Bengal, my Hindi is not that great and my accent is kind of so silly, so that's why I don't talk in Hindi. I know you're gonna make fun of me, so yeah. Okay, let's start today's video. So my today's video is lip care recommendations. Winters and chap lips, they are like close friends, and yeah, chap lips is a really serious problem in winter days. So okay, so I'm gonna recommend you some stuffs that I've been loving, and if you have like extremely chapped lips, I know this is gonna work for you as well. So ठीक है, अब मैं दिखाती हूँ. I'm feeling so embarrassed. Okay, so my first recommendation is, as a Bangali, this has to be in every house, and this is Borolin. I know. If you are in West Bengal, I know you are using this since your childhood days. It is that great. It's healing. It's extremely moisturizing, and if you have like any types of skin problems like chapped lips, cracked legs, or if you cut yourself, if you are wounded, just apply it, and it's like everything that that you has to deal with in your regular life. Okay, so let me show you the texture. Yeah, this is like a white thick cream. Okay, if you want to buy Borolin and Borolin or Boro Plus, then try buying Borolin because it's more moisturizing than Boro Plus. I don't understand Boro Plus. They should work in similar way, but Boro Plus, it's just kind of evaporate in sometimes, but it stays for a whole night. Like, okay, I will share some remedies with you as well. Like, if you have cracked legs, just apply a thick layer of Borolin on your feet and then cover it with a plastic bag and then use a sock and just sleep overnight, and in the morning just you do this technique for 3 or 4 days continuously, and then you will be amazed by the results. Like, what does it do to my feet? It is that great. And yeah, the smell is kind of overpowering, but I like this fragrance because it gives me like my nostalgia. I just kind of it's kind of remind me of my childhood days. When I was a little kid. Okay, it is thick balm, and if you can't bother the smell, then I'm gonna recommend you something else which is as moisturizing as this. And if you are using this, then do not apply it and go to direct sunlight because it will dark your face, kind of make dull your face. So yeah, but it's so moisturizing and it's so good. If you haven't tried it yet, just buy Borolin, and if you have any major problem to your body or your lips or any area, just use this and let it do the magic for you. Okay, so my next recommendation is this Vadi strawberry lip balm. Here is the product. It's not gonna focus. Okay, so it is not that pricey, it's cheap, but you know what, it's so moisturizing. It's more moisturizing than the Vaseline one. I don't understand the Vaseline. It's kind of evaporates in within 1 hour or 2 hours, but it is gonna stay on your lips. But I don't like the smell. I think I've tried the berry one, berry lip balm, and the smell was kind of good, but it's so moisturizing, and I mean, yeah, it has like some tint to it. So if you want a tinted lip balm, then it's a good option. And don't worry, the smell, it kind of goes away within 3 or 5 minutes later, but the smell is okay, not the smell, but it's so moisturizing, and it's gonna stay, and it's gonna heal your cracked lips. Yeah, but don't apply it at night, because it is not enough moisturizing to, you know, give moisture to your lips for like overnight. I mean, it's not great for overnight. You can apply Borolin for overnight, I mean, if the thickness is not a matter for you. So yeah, you can apply this or this. Okay, so my next recommendation is this Blue Heaven lip balm in the I think it's cocoa flavor. Yeah, it's cocoa butter, and the ingredient list, it doesn't mention in here, but it's so moisturizing. I mean, I don't understand the fact. I mean, how could it be that moisturizing? Then I mean, it's moisturizing than I think the Wadi one. I mean, yeah, it's so moisturizing, and it's like an EOS lip balm, and I like the smell. It's literally smells like cocoa butter, and the smell is so soothing, and it's so moisturizing. You know, I've used it quite a lot. I mean, it has like a tomb over here like this, and now it's kind of flat because I've used it on my lips, and it's so moisturizing. And I mean, it's so cute. I mean, if you carry it like this, and when you're around some people, I know it's I mean, pandemic, but if you like use they use it like this, and you know, you will feel kind of rich. So yeah, so okay, let me tell you a quick summary. अगर आपको कोई थिक लिप बाम चाहिए तो ये वाला खरीद सकते हो. मतलब ये बहुत अच्छा है, ये भी अच्छा है, लेकिन इसका स्मेल थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, और ये ओवरनाइट के लिए नहीं, उतना ठीक नहीं है. और ये भी ठीक है, लाइक डे टाइम के लिए ये ठीक है, लेकिन ओवरनाइट इट्स नॉट दैट ग्रेट. सो डोंट यूज़ इट ओवरनाइट. You can use Borolin on overnight. Okay, so my next recommendation is that Lakme Peach Shine. And you know what, it's the same as the, I mean, yeah, it's not that moisturizing, and it evaporates in kind of 30 seconds, and it's not enough moisturizing. So if you wanna, you know, if you wanna buy a chapstick, then you can buy this, but it's not healing, it's not that moisturizing, it's just a waste of money, so don't buy this. And yeah, my next recommendation is this. I mean, I love this, and I'm using this since August. You can see, like, I'm using this since August, because yeah, I have like chapped lips problem, and this is Laneige lip sleeping mask in the I mean, berry version. I know it's can't focus. It's 20 gram, and it has like a bunch of ingredients, and Laneige claims that if you got any allergy from this product, they are gonna refund your money. So it's a big claim, and it has like, I think 50 ingredients, but it's so moisturizing. And let me tell you something else. It's like it's like an exfoliating lip balm. Like, if you have dead skin cells, I mean, not your normal lip balms, like them, they don't, they don't remove your dead skin cells from your lips, but it surely does. It just removes your dead skin cells so gently, and if you use it regularly, I think it's gonna work on your lip pigmentation too, because see, it is removing your dead skin cells every day, and so gently, so mildly, and it's kind of exfoliating your lips without any irritation. So if you are using this continuously for a period of time, I think you are gonna get rid of your lip pigmentation problem as well. Because see, I don't have, lip pigmentation issues, so I can't say if it's really, that great for pigmented lips or not, but it's definitely so great. And if you want this, then I'm gonna make a separate video of this Laneige lip sleeping mask. So yeah, अगर आपको ये चाहिए, मतलब ये बहुत ही अच्छा है अगर आपके डेड स्किन सेल्स को हटाने के लिए, लिप्स के ऊपर से. I'm looking so funny, I know. Yeah, you can surely try this. And you know what, if you wanna try anything from this range, that I've showed you like earlier in these things, then just buy this, and it's gonna last you like for a year. And it has like that mark also, that box and 12. I mean, yeah, this box and 12. It means that you have to finish it within 1 year. But you know what, you just need a tiny bit amount and you are good to go. Okay, let me show you. It's like pink in color, and the color is so cute, and it's like a thick balm. It's like not that thick. I mean, if you are applying it on your lips, you won't feel any irritation. But if you are using this, your lips feel heavy. But it's not the issue with this Laneige lip sleeping mask. It's like sits top of your skin beautifully, and it's gently remove your dead skin cells, and you know, it's gonna stay for your lips like for like you can't even think, you can't even imagine for that long. It's gonna stay on your lips until you like wipe it off with something or not. It's gonna stay on your lips like forever, and it's gonna stay on your lips forever. And I got a cute little spatula with this, like, it's so cute. It's a silicone spatula, and you know, silicones, I mean, they don't attract bacteria, so it's safe, you know. I mean, you don't have to wash it. I mean, yeah, but I don't use like this. I mean, who does this? I mean, yeah, I use my fingers to, I mean, I use my fingers to take the products, and I use it on my lips. And I'm using this for, I think, yeah, from August I'm using this, and I've been, you know, just finished this much, and I think this is gonna last me for more than 1 year, but I have to finish it within 1 year. Okay, so my next product is this Lakme Sun Protect Orange Lip Care. It has SPF 30. See, your lips need like SPF 2. I mean, we are applying SPF on our face, but what about our lips? You know, sun rays, they make our lips like pigmented. So yeah, we need to use lip sunscreen. I mean, a chapstick which has like sunscreen. So that's why I'm using this. I mostly use this at daytime. I mean, whenever I'm going outside. But when I'm indoors, I don't use, I mean, lip SPF. I mean, I just use my normal lip balm. And I use like my lip balms for all time. I use my lip balms because I just can't stand my chapped lips. And yeah. Okay, so I think that's all for today. अगर आपको कुछ भी खरीदना है इनमें से, तो मतलब ये वाला खरीदिए, ये बहुत ही अच्छा है. Yeah, it's so good and it's so great. And just use this product and you're gonna thank me. I know, just use it once, and yeah, you're gonna thank me. Just try it. Okay, I think so that's all for today. If you like this video, then like this video, share this video with your friends and families. And I mean, I will try to speak in Hindi like properly, because I'm so bad and my accent is so silly. And yeah, I think that's all. Till then, take care. I don't know, I'm feeling so embarrassed. I don't know why. Okay, bye bye.